Hi, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about air filters. Behind me is a Fendt tractor, of course, but this applies to any unit. We would prefer that you don't pull air filters out and clean them out before the restriction light comes on. A lot of guys like to be able to pull that filter out every day and bang it out. Most of the company reps tell us don't do that. Leave it in there, let the restriction buzzer come on, then you can pull it out, tap the filter out. You can do that a couple of times where you tap the filter out. They really don't want you blowing much air on those filters anymore. The filters have become so pleated and so fine, quite easy to tear them, and there's a high level of risk that you could get a hole in there and then dust your engine. And you know, most engines, if you're going to replace an engine, you're looking $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 plus. So just something to think about. Wait for the restriction indicator light to come on, then take it out, bang it out, you know, on the tire or on the edge of the bucket or something like that. But try not to use compressed air to blow it out, because there's a pretty good chance that you can make a hole in it. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.